All right, Marty, look, I covered all the things that I'd get yelled at. I don't know what that box is. We probably should cover that too. I think it has something to do with the phone system. Last thing we need is our internet to go out. Okay, so there's our little pipe. Again, it just does a sump pump. It's supposed to be this like overflow protection in case water table gets too high. This little pipe here is just annoyingly right above all my telephone lines. And all the new stuff that I had installed for fiber optics. So I need to make sure that this is all protected. And obviously, since it's gonna stink and it's made out of metal, we'll be wearing our proper PPE. Yeah, not sure how much this is related to hotel maintenance or just, you know, I'm bored and you guys keep telling me to make a video. So this is what I do while people are actually running and making money. But again, here soon we'll introduce the new staff, how the new programs are going, and actual hotel stuff. But this is more fun for me. This is what I do. So probably messed up my phone. All right, where's my? Am I plugged in?
Yep. Oh no, not yet. Is it yet? No, not yet.
All right, so you guys understand you have to hold this side, right? Because more than likely, I'm gonna cut it and it's gonna probably fall.
All right.
So I'm gonna try to cut as close to this piece here as possible. It'll probably fall right. Well,
It'll hit this.
in theory, if it doesn't break over there, just be ready to get the load. Ready?
No.
Yeah. Impressive. All right, so in theory, we should be able just to pull that out and the whole piece will come falling down and break everything.
That sounds horrible.
So what I'm gonna try to do is break it right here, okay?
Okay.
And then I'm gonna need you to basically hold the weight to make sure the whole thing doesn't fall. Yeah.
You're taller than I am, Mary.
Yeah, I'd say get Merrick over here too. It's a lot heavier than it looks.
Yeah.
Right?
How are you expecting to do this?
Carefully. Maybe I'll start from the bottom. Well,
That would have hurt.
okay. Well, if you want to see what it looks like, check this out. Here's Merrick's face. He's kind of in the way.
All right, that's good, Cole.
But look, it just shattered.
I know.
Whole thing just shattered.
I bet if I step on it, I bet it's gonna break. Oh yeah, well.
No. Surprisingly resistant.
Surprisingly. Gotta keep that.
Well, I don't hear any alarms going off. It doesn't sound like that the phone lines are out. So hopefully,
That's gonna be fun.
yeah, that piece over there is all fractured up now. So it goes into PVC at the other end of that chunk, huh?
Yeah, I'll take a picture of it.
Okay, send me the picture. And I'll finish it.
Easy?
Yes. It also fell easy. All right, so this part's the scary part because if I shatter this, then we have to go back farther. So hopefully this will cut just nice and straight like butter. And the top part broke a little bit. Okay. Is it broken over there too? Okay. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, well, how far back? I'm gonna try to.
Ooh. It's a little ripe, isn't it?
I'm gonna go back just a hair more.
What's that?
I was just saying.
Because that piece right there rotten. That's what sucks about cast iron. You don't know how far back the brake goes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back to here. Nice, that looks good.
How's the bottom of that?
It looks like it's solid.
Yeah, this one's solid now. So that's about as good of a break as we could hope for. For all the viewers watching at home.
Wow. So Paul.
Well, forgot the in-between process, but works perfect, like a charm. Just emptied out the snake pit and no drips. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I think on this channel, I'm going to continue to just kind of showcase the development of the Ugly Motel and just kind of the headache that comes with a 70-year-old hotel. I'm also going to kind of throw in some of the home remodeling type stuff. I'm trying to decide if I want to do a second channel that shows basically the finances behind all the random side projects that I do. At some point, I will do a video just on the breakdown of how much it costs to run this beast, if we're finally breaking even, all that fun stuff, but you won't know unless you like and subscribe.